This is you, and you want to be successful in school and get a degree. But sometimes the road to getting a degree can get tough. With all the classes and coursework, maintaining a high GPA, and figuring out how to pay for your education, it can be overwhelming. But TRIO's Student Support Services at Northwest-Shoals Community College is here to help you navigate this journey. How? Let's take a look. TRIO's Student Support Services, or SSS, is a federally funded program to the U.S. Department of Education. When you join TRIO SSS, your TRIO advisor becomes your co-pilot. First, we will help you develop an individualized educational plan and work with you to keep you on track for completing your degree. We offer tutoring and advising to help you succeed in your classes, workshops to help you build or regain skills to be successful, and help you be successful in and out of the classroom by developing learning strategies for your classes, time management techniques, and even help you transfer to a university. TRIO SSS can also help you figure out ways to pay for college by navigating financial aid and scholarships so you can more easily reach your destination. We also offer opportunities for financial literacy development, like how to create a budget or how to manage your credit. And that's not all. We'll also provide opportunities to attend transfer fairs, professional development opportunities, and university visits, all designed to help you along your journey to earning your degree. TRIO SSS also partners with the Career Center at the college to provide career counseling. The Career Center also gives students the opportunity to job shadow to get a hands-on look at different types of careers. This will help you decide which one is right for you. Also, through the TRIO SSS program, you'll have the chance to make connections on campus and in the community. And the best part about all of this is that TRIO SSS and everything we offer is completely free. So what are you waiting for? Let's work together to get you your degree. To learn more about TRIO SSS at Northwest-Shoals Community College, visit nwscc.edu/SSS or give us a call at 256-331-8057.